Oh, we're recording.
Welcome back to Strand Farm, where we mill lumber together. Today is the first day. I'm going for it. It's been raining non-stop. I've got a gap in the storms. I got my headphones. I got my eyeglasses. I got a ruler. I've got a hammer. I've got some nails. I got some rope over there. I've got my chaps. I just sharpened my chainsaw. I'm using just the regular chain that came with the chainsaw, so we'll see how it mills this first log. Let's go to the tree.
Do whatty now?
Well, for this first attempt, I think I'm gonna go about 2 to 3 inches in from the center.
Oh, okay.
Just
get a feel for it.
A little more space. Yeah, just see what happens. I've been stuck in analysis paralysis for what feels like a year because I've been wanting to mill my own lumber, and I still haven't done it.
Well, here we are.
So here's 3 inches. What am I doing?
Yeah, are you tying a knot?
Yeah, I'm just gonna tie this knot. This isn't any special knot.
Just a regular knot.
Just a slip knot.
Hey, ducky, can I help you?
Okay, let's go down to the other side.
Watch out, a strawberry plant. You're doing the same thing?
We'll do the same thing on this log. There's the end, we're about midway. There's 3 inches.
Do you feel like you ever get better at nailing?
Yeah, if you watch my VHS rack video and you watch what I did just there, you'll say, dang, he really did get a little bit better. I like these, but I can't give an honest review because I haven't had contact between my chainsaw and my legs yet.
Let's hope that we don't have that today.
But
Moves.
I like the breathability.
On the back end?
Okay, yep. All right, you ready for me? All right, so we have our rope 3 inches in on the log, and I'm going to cut with my chainsaw at a particular angle that looks like the angle from other videos. I don't even know what to go with, but I just want one tooth of the chainsaw to make contact with the wood. And I'm gonna draw a line right down this log with the chainsaw, and I'm just gonna kind of walk it down, and then I'll have a groove, and I'll use the level that I installed on my chainsaw to just keep it even. And that groove should eventually just allow me to smoothly make this cut all the way through.
You gotta go, honey. Papa's gonna start sawing.
we're gonna take the string out, get the nails out at this point. And then I also noticed at this point that that bubble level is useless, because when the chainsaw is touching anything, it's just, the bubble dissipates and it's just, you can't see it at all.
So how do other people use it?
It might be a gimmick, I don't know. I
Who
really
said to
think,
use it?
what's that?
Where did you get the idea to use it?
From like several videos.
Huh.
Yeah, I'll link to all of them.
Weird.
Yeah, so maybe our chainsaw is just not stable when it's the motor's on.
Yeah.
But that's one thing I've noticed so far. And I think down here I'm having trouble staying in the track. It doesn't look that bad, really. I've got the track, so let's just take the nail out and let's just keep cutting and we'll see how straight it turned out. The easiest way for me to keep it straight at this point is just to watch the bar and try to keep it flush with the log. But the sawdust gets caught and you can't really see your line because of the sawdust. So I don't know if you need like a blower and everything, but I think it's just an art and a practice. So I like it so far. I'm getting sore holding the chainsaw. And then also the chain I'm using, I wanted to try just the regular chain, which has a 30-degree like cutting angle. The ripping chain is a 10 degree, which I think will cut finer and straighter and easier than this chain, but we'll find out. And on top of that, this is our toughest log. This is a red oak, so.
Start with the hardest.
Yeah.
Might as well.
Yeah, so we'll get this thing split and then find a use for it. And
I got a million things in my mind of what I need.
Awesome. And it's not, the idea isn't to get it perfect, the idea is to get it good enough. And the way it's working right now, I feel like we're on track for that. So let's keep going.
Okay.
I couldn't use my safety glasses anymore, they completely fogged out. So I use Versace safety goggles.
Refuel.
Ran out of fuel.
Do you think this is a very efficient way to
It
mill?
was a full tank when I started. It's definitely cheaper to do this than buy lumber.
Oh, for sure.
Because that is, shoot, it's so small. We should measure it.
Yeah, I'd like to know how much it costs per board.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, we're about as far as I'm comfortable going with the chainsaw going down, because I don't want to go through the log and just start cutting into the soil. And so I don't have like a perfect stand for that, and I don't have a good feel for it. So now I'm gonna take my wedges and I'm just gonna pop it off. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
This has been real fun.
How was it? Fatiguing?
Yeah, but when you're doing it, when it's cutting really well, it's not fatiguing. I don't exactly know how to explain it yet, but when I have the ink, like if I'm holding the saw, when I'm holding the saw like this and just barely touching the top, it slices quick. And I think that's like the one tooth contact thing. I find myself going like this as I walk down the log, and then now I've got multiple teeth cutting, and there's more resistance, and there's like more, it's just more fatiguing. So since we're out of gas, I'm not going to refill it, and I'm pretty much all the way through, let's just split it with the wedges. Cool, come look at this.
Whoa.
Oh, come on, that's straight as all get out. Wow. Wow. It works.
It really does work.
Here, let me pick this piece up. Look at that. We want shelving for the pottery studio.
Oh yeah.
Man, how cool.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it weighs probably about 40 pounds.
You can do arm day with it. Cool.
All right. Thanks for coming to visit at Strand Farm for week 2 of freehand chainsaw milling. We are going to master this skill, and we're going to build a lot of stuff. Thanks for tuning in.
I think there's a strawberry ready. Oh, somebody already ate it.
Give me some of it.
It has ants in it.
Let me see.
No.
Yes.
You grab it.
You won't even pick it off?
No, it's full of ants.
Oh my gosh, they're like living inside
I
it.
know. Give it to the chickens.
I wanted to eat it.
Yeah. Oh, you bumped into me. Them britches on now.
Chats.
Oh, honey.
Strawberries? Sorry, strawberries.